In first video, we had learnt what is a sentence, how many types of sentences are there, and assertive sentence, interrogative sentence. You all know, students, what is a sentence? A group of words which gives complete meaning is called a sentence. And how many types of sentences are there? There are 4 types of sentences. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. And afterwards we learnt what is an assertive, what is an interrogative. You all know assertive sentence means it shows statement. Interrogative, it shows or asks questions. Now let us see imperative sentence here. Imperative sentence is a sentence which shows order, request or advice. See here, imperative sentence is a sentence which shows order, request, advice. See here children, assertive sentence will play only one role, that is statement. Interrogative also plays only one role, that is questions. Here imperative, see, not only it plays one role, it plays so many roles. You see here, order, request, advice. Okay, now let us understand imperative sentence with the help of examples. Okay, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. See, here in this sentence, can we find question or can we find any statement? No, this question represent us order. This questions represent us order. So, it comes under imperative sentence. It comes under imperative sentence. Next, open the door. Open the door. Students, here question is there in this sentence. Statement is there. Then this sentence represent order. This sentence represent order. So, it will become imperative sentence because the meaning of imperative sentence is saying that it shows order. It shows order. Next, please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. See here children, please give me a glass of water. Here, what we see? We see statement or we see question or we see order. What we see? Please means it comes under request. It comes under request means it will become imperative sentence. It will become imperative sentence. See here, always tell truth. Always tell truth. See here, it comes under advice. It comes under advice. So, it will come under imperative sentence. It will come under imperative sentence. See here, help the poor. Help the poor. It is also imperative sentence. Here also it shows advice. It shows advice. Children, here keep it in your mind that if the sentence represent order, request or advice, they all comes under imperative sentence. They all comes under imperative sentence. See here, please help me. Please help me. Please means request. It is imperative sentence. Finish the work. It is order. Order means it is imperative sentence. Honesty is the best policy means it is advice means it will become imperative sentence. See here children, if a sentence shows statement, it will become assertive. If it shows question, it will become interrogative. If a sentence shows order, it will become imperative. If a sentence shows request, it is also imperative. If a sentence shows advice, it is also imperative. Okay, now let us see next sentence. Now exclamatory sentence. Okay, first I shall read. See here, exclamatory sentence is a sentence which shows sudden feelings. See here students, exclamatory sentence due to what children? It shows sudden feelings. Feelings means emotions. In Kannada we will say bhavanegadu. What we will say? Bhavanegadu. See, we all are human beings. Even animals also having feelings, and we are also having feelings. Here, sudden feelings means automatic showing the feelings, automatically showing the feelings. Okay. Now, let us see the examples of exclamatory sentence. Here, alas, he is dead. See here, if we heard the news of someone dead, that time we will show our sudden feelings by saying alas. This alas word, it represent exclamatory. It represent exclamatory. See, alas, he is dead means we are showing our sudden feelings. We are showing our sudden feelings. See here, next one. Hurrah, we won the match. See here, this is happiest moment. This is happiest moment. See here, students, if at the last moment, if we won the match, that time we will show our sudden feelings, sudden expressions. Okay, next. Oh, what a fine building. See here, students, if we had not saw like that building, if we saw suddenly a beautiful building, that time we will express our sudden feelings by saying, oh, what a fine building. This sentence also represent exclamatory. See here, compulsory we have to give exclamatory mark. Next, wow, what a beautiful car. See here, if we saw any beautiful car, that time we will show our sudden feelings by expressing wow, what a beautiful. Next, yahoo, I got a gift. See here, if anybody surprises us by giving a gift, that time we will show our sudden feelings. That time we will show our sudden feelings. See here, children, sudden feelings not only about sorrow, it may be happy moment, it may be surprise, and it may be wonder, or it may be sad. If we will show our sudden feelings, or if we will express our sudden emotions, they all comes under exclamatory sentence. They all comes under exclamatory sentence. Listen here, children, for exclamatory sentence compulsory we have to put exclamatory mark. See, alas, hurrah, oh, wow, these all will express us our sudden feelings. These all words will express us our sudden feelings. If we will use all these words in a sentence, then they will become exclamatory sentence. What they will become? Exclamatory sentence. See here, students, overall the meaning of exclamatory sentence means it shows our sudden feelings. It shows our sudden feelings. Okay, students, see here, totally there are 4 types of sentences. They are assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Everyone has its own duty. See, assertive, it shows statement. Interrogative, questions. Imperative, advice, order, or request. Imperative sentence. Exclamatory, it shows sudden feelings. Here, all sentences have their own duties. See, if simple sentence comes means we have to say it is an assertive sentence. If any sentence shows the question means it is an interrogative sentence. If any sentence having order, it is imperative. Request, it is imperative. Advice, imperative. If any sentence shows sudden feelings means it comes under exclamatory sentence. We have to say that it is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, students, I think you people understood the sentences. See, you have to write these sentences in your grammar fair with 5 examples. Thank you.